All right, guys, so I decided that I'm going to sell this project. And you're probably wondering why, so I want to explain. I don't feel like taking it any further, okay? I know what's needed to complete it, to complete the restoration or whatever, but I'm just simply not interested in that work and making the videos for it, okay? It's going to take a couple more thousands of dollars to complete this, and probably the most important thing is it's going to take probably another year of my time, okay? And there's other videos that I just simply want to work on. I've been working on something for about 6 months, and I want to start that project, okay? It's an idea that I have, and I want to build it, and I think you guys would really enjoy it, and I'd rather just work on that, okay? There's also another project that I want to start later this year, and it's just really exciting to want to start that project, okay? Knowing what I have to go through with this thing, I just don't have it in me anymore, okay? I also don't ride on the street. I have 4 young kids. I want to be alive, and even if I do complete it, I would just sell it. And I'm going to quit now because I don't want to get too deep into this thing and not recoup my time and money, okay? Now, I also want to mention that I bought a frame with a title. So I have a clean frame and title. It's a 78 frame that needs to be stripped and powder coated. And then this is a 78 motor that's completely rebuilt. And that can go in that frame, and then, someone could finish it off. So that's what I'm selling here. I'm selling a bike that runs and drives. It's a fully rebuilt motor, fully rebuilt carbs. This frame is junk, but I have another frame, and that's pretty much it for the videos on the CB750. If you're interested in buying it, let me know. I'm basically selling it for what I have into the motor. That's probably the only thing that anyone is going to be interested in is the motor. Obviously, there's other good parts, but this is, to have a motor completely rebuilt, I mean, it's expensive, and here you go. Here's one ready to go. So I hope you can understand where I'm coming from. Please leave comments below if you feel otherwise, but hey, that's my decision, and that's what I'm going with. So thanks.